Here's another one stuck at the treacherous corner where the snow is deep and thick and crunchy with ice. I always like to watch people's strategies on how they try to get out. I mean, it's not funny, but people don't know what to do to get out of it. I guess he thinks he's gonna mash it down by hand. Seriously, floor mats, I swear to you, works. It's easy. You just slip them under your tires. Keep a $10 pair from the dollar store in your vehicle at all times. And you can just peel out and keep going and leave them behind because it's only $10. And then somebody else can use them in that spot when they pull up. Come on, you got it, boy. There he goes. Let's see. Oh. Oh. I think he made it. Yep. He made it. Pretty cool. Still snowing. There goes a fella. Hey, we need that fella down the side street there where all that treachery is. Oh, there goes another one. They're sprinkling salt. But they're not going down the road that's treacherous to the left.